He says 30 seconds, and then we clear the Heritage. Okay, so the Heritage flight's going to take off. All right, all right. I'll give you another reminder while the Heritage flight's taking on. Snort too. Okay. Okay, the Oak Club opens at 1500, all hands. You are welcome there after the show this afternoon. The Oak Club is open at 1500 for all hands. Everybody is welcome. I'm out of the way. We are launching the channel. That's Crazy Horse, or son of Crazy Horse. Excuse me, I lose track of who's flying what. I'm sorry. It happens when you got these many airplanes flying the action. Okay, now you're about ready? Now it's your turn. Okay, I'm out of here.
What started as a one-time event has grown in popularity and demand, and now performs at air shows here in the United States and all around the world. Snodgrass and his F-86 Sabre, the F-15 Eagle and Major Bret Anderson, and Captain Kouchoukos and the A-10 Thunderbolt.